Let's see what curiosity can do.
Win for that man, John McGee.
Today's forecast, we should reach a high of 30.
There.
That X-ray runway 30.
Hi, Erin.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna just give you some actions to do. And just do the first thing that comes to mind. Show me what it looks like to run like a girl.
My hair. Oh my God.
Show me what it looks like to fight like a girl. Now throw like a girl.
Aw.
My name is Dakota, and I'm 10 years old.
Show me what it looks like to run like a girl. Throw like a girl. Fight like a girl. What does it mean to you when I say run like a girl?
It means run fast as you can.
So do you think you just insulted your sister?
No. I mean, yeah, insulted girls, but not my sister.
Is like a girl a good thing?
Actually, I don't know what it really, if it's a bad thing or a good thing. It sounds like a bad thing. It sounds like you're trying to humiliate someone.
So when they're in that vulnerable time between 10 and 12, how do you think it affects them when somebody uses like a girl as an insult?
I think it definitely drops their self-confidence and really puts them down because during that time, they're already trying to figure themselves out. And when somebody says you hit like a girl, it's like, well, what does that mean? Because they think they're a strong person. It's kind of like telling them that they're weak and they're not as good as them.
And what advice do you have to young girls who are told they run like a girl, kick like a girl, hit like a girl, swing like a girl?
Keep doing it because it's working. If somebody else says that running like a girl or kicking like a girl or shooting like a girl is something that you shouldn't be doing, that's their problem. Because if you're still scoring and you're still getting to the ball on time and you're still being first, you're doing it right. Doesn't matter what they say. I mean, yes, I kick like a girl and I swim like a girl and I walk like a girl and I wake up in the morning like a girl because I am a girl. And that is not something that I should be ashamed of. So I'm gonna do it anyway. That's what they should do.
If I asked you to run like a girl now, would you do it differently?
I would run like myself.
Would you like a chance to redo it?
Yeah.
why can't run like a girl also mean win the race?
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a tornado warning for Davis County in northern Utah, Morgan County in northern Utah, Summit County in northern Utah, Utah County in north-central Utah, Wasatch County in north-central Utah, Weber County in northern Utah, until 10:23 p.m. Mountain Time. At 5:56 p.m. Mountain Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Expected hazards include tornado, golf ball-sized hail. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar. Impact, damage to roofs and siding. Significant damage to trees. Action, take shelter now. Go into the innermost room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building with no windows. If you are in a mobile home or outside, find the nearest substantial shelter. If you are in a vehicle, pull over and get into a ditch. Do not park under overpasses.
Slow and steady.
Trans, the official sudden vantage spectacles.
This is Maddie.